Good morning, dear audience and dear viewers. Today we will discuss our next exercise, that is exercise 3F, few word problems. So exercise 3F. Today we will find square root of some rational number or how to find square root of a given number up to correct decimal places. So to find square root up to correct decimal places, up to correct or given decimal places, we just follow long division method. In long division method, if we have to find up to 3 places, we have to find square root of a given number corrected up to 3 places. So we find up to 4 places and round off it to 3 places. Keep in mind, if we have to find number up to 4 places, then we find up to 5 places, then round off number to 3 places. So simple सी बात है, if we have to find square root of a given number up to desired places, we find a number more than one place and round off it to a specific number. So let us discuss through your exercise problems, through your exercise. Now, question number 9. You have to find square root of 3 up to 2 decimal places. Up to 2 decimal places. So we will find up to 3 decimal places and round it off. उसको हम क्या करेंगे? राउंड ऑफ करेंगे. Let us discuss. Consider a decimal point here. We have to find up to 2 places. तो कितने places चाहिए सर? 3 places चाहिए. एक place के लिए कितने जीरो? तो 2 0. 1 2 3. Right? Now select a number whose square either less than 3 or equal to 3. So 1 square. Add this quotient here 2. Subtract. Now take this pair downside. Yesterday recall, as soon as integral part is over, we have to put decimal point. So after 3 there is a decimal point, integral part is over, so we put decimal here. Now select a number here so that either we can get 200 or less than 200. If we select 8, 8 is just 64, 8 to just 16, which is more than 200. So we select 7. 7 7s are 49, 7 2s are 40, 80, 189. 1 1. Now add this 7 here. 4, 7 plus 4 14, carry over 1 3. Take this pair downside. Take this pair downside. Now select a number here so that either you can get 1100 or less than 1100. If we select 2, 3 2 is 600, so we can select 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9 1 10. If we select 4, it will be more than 1100. So we select 3 here. 1029. 1 1. Again same thing. Now we have to find a number up to 2 decimal places. So here we can get 2 decimal place 1 2. So your question answer is square root of 3 is 1.73. Square root of 3 is 1.73. Keep in mind, if we have to find square root of a given number up to desired decimal places, we just find a place more than that and round it off. Here procedure is still same. Keep in mind, if we have to find number up to 3 decimal places or 4 decimal places, we add a fraction zeros so that we can get decimal part in even form. As soon as integral part is over, we put decimal point here. इधर जो इंटीग्रल पार्ट है, इंटीजर वाला पार्ट है, जैसे ही वो फिनिश होगा हम क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पॉइंट डेसिमल पुट करेंगे. देन प्रोसीड एज लॉन्ग डिवीजन मेथड. नाउ moving our further question, that is question number 11. That is question number 11.